Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $20,370, 24-hour volume. We are 15% down and market cap, we are down 1.71%. So heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over our daily chart. And again, with this huge uptrend for Bitcoin, we did know that the price is ultimately going to retrace downwards because of that buying pressure, because we needed the market eventually to correct itself. And now we are seeing that aftermath of that uptrend. So if we take a look at our fib retracement here, we are actually coming down to 38% of our fib, roughly as low as the 20,200, which is still pretty good. If we take a look at the formation of the candlestick pattern itself, it's not looking like an evening star or a piercing through candlestick pattern itself. So it is still, again, looking pretty good of a retracement level down to 38% and then coming up closer to the 50% itself. The only downside here is if the price does retrace down to the 19,900, then essentially we had broken this beautiful uptrend that we have. The MACD indicator on a daily time frame does look pretty good here. If we zoom in on the MACD indicator, it is still looking pretty good. This may again still be the uptrend or the peak of this uptrend, and we may see just that pullback and then momentum building up as well. The only thing too for a daily time frame is taking a look at the RSI here. It's basically at 85% for our K line, which is considered to be overbought. And again, we are going to go into a shorter time frame to take a look at those retracement levels and areas of support. If we take a look at the volume profile off to the side here, this is going to be essentially the next area of supply and demand zone. And we have seen the price touch around this area at the 19.9 all the way into the 22 here. So this is going to be treated as a good area of supply and demand where the price ultimately wants to retrace to. And if we do break that upper layer of the 20,200, then essentially we're hoping for the price again to catch itself at the very bottom of here at the 19.9. Let's zoom in closer to our 4-hour time frame. And again, here is our supply and demand zone that we saw in the daily time frame. We can see a few of our candlesticks here. October 25th has retraced down to this level at the 19.9, and then this huge pump in volume itself. Now, one of the downfalls that we are going to be seeing is the momentum, because we switched from the green over to the red for our MACD indicator. We saw that flip over. I can drag this up here. We saw that flip over here, essentially showing us that momentum change, and the green bars itself was coming back down. It all depends on this momentum itself. If the momentum is going to be huge in the red marker, then we are going to be testing that 19.9 pretty close here. Let's quickly go into a 2-hour time frame. This is going to bring us down even more. We can see that the MACD indicator has already shown its true colors here in the momentum going really strong on the bearish end, and of course rejection from our 20 moving average. Now take a look at the placement of the price here at the very bottom. Wick itself is at the bottom of our Bollinger Band. Now, even though it's touched it, doesn't mean that it's automatically going to retrace up and have a nice pullback and coming up to the 61%. We do have a signal here for the RSI showing a sell signal, even at the weakest point at 52%. Normally we see these sell signals around the 80%, 70%. So this does kind of show us another hint that Bitcoin is going to continue to retrace down. And of course, we already see that selling pressure in the candlestick that we have so far for 2 hours already. So be prepared again for the price for Bitcoin to come down to the 19.9 in the next couple of hours or so. And we are going to be doing an update for tomorrow. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.